Hello everyone, my greetings to each one of you. This is the third session on cost analysis. In the previous session, you have understood about fixed costs. I am Poonam Vohra from Microeconomics Learning Center. This session focuses on total variable cost. So you will understand this concept with the help of a tabular as well as a diagrammatic presentation. So let us understand. It has been understood earlier that total cost is a summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Focusing on total variable cost, it is incurred on variable factors of production. Hence, they vary directly with output. Output increases, variable cost also increases. Output decreases, total variable cost also decreases. So, direct relationship between cost incurred and output produced. For example, a car. Variable cost of a car would be consumption of petrol, expenditure on maintenance, and so on. One can understand total variable cost with the help of a numerical example and its diagrammatic presentation. This has been understood that when units produced are 0, total variable cost will also be 0. Thereafter, as units produced increases, total variable cost also increases. But one has to understand the rate at which total variable cost is increasing. And this can be known by finding the change in total variable cost. So, when units produced increase from 0 to 1 unit, the change in total variable cost is 30. And when units produced increases from 1 to 2 units, total variable cost increases from 30 to 40. That is, there is an increase by 10. And when output increases from 2 to 3 units, total variable cost increases from 40 to 45. Implying an increase of 5. With further increase in production to 4 units, now total variable cost has increased from 45 to 68, showing an increase of 23. And finally, with further increase in output to 5 units, total variable cost now increases from 68 to 110, implying an increase by 42. What does it mean? It implies that initially, with increase in units produced, total variable cost is increasing but at a decreasing rate. This occurs till third unit is being produced. Thereafter, with increase in production, total variable cost increases at an increasing rate. The same information can be shown diagrammatically, where units produced are taken on x-axis, total variable cost on y-axis. By plotting these points, one gets a curve like this, which shows that when 3 units are produced, the rate of change is minimum at that point exhibited by point M at 3 units. Till point M, total variable cost rises but at a decreasing rate, and it occurs mainly because of increased efficiency. One can recall that total variable cost is derived from the behavior of total product, which is implied in the law of variable proportions. In the first phase of variable proportion, total product increases at an increasing rate, mainly because of increased efficiency. And efficiency increases because of proper utilization of fixed factors, division of labor, and specialization. And beyond point M, total variable cost increases but at an increasing rate. This means that every new unit of output produced has a higher cost as compared to the previous unit. And this is because of fall in efficiency of the variable input, mainly due to overutilization of fixed inputs. Hence, total variable cost is concave up to point M and convex beyond point M and upward rising too. Assess yourself and identify the correct option out of the 4 options given for the statement. Total variable cost A. Always increases at a constant rate. B. Depends upon the fixed cost of production. C. Sometimes depends upon variable factors. And D. Always increases at a decreasing rate. Please check your answer. The correct answer is option B. Total variable cost depends upon fixed cost of production, because total cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So total variable cost is total cost minus total fixed cost. So it depends on fixed cost of production. I hope you have understood the concept of total variable cost along with its numerical example as well as diagrammatic presentation. With this, the session comes to an end. The next session would focus on total cost. Till then, keep reading and keep learning.